In this video I will show you how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel.
So let's get started. First, open your Excel sheet and select the cells that you want to protect. By default, all cells in Excel are locked, but this only works when you protect the worksheet. So before applying protection, you can choose which cells users are allowed to edit. To do this, right-click on the selected cells, click on Format Cells, and go to the Protection tab. Here, you can uncheck the Locked option for the cells you want to keep editable, and then click OK. Now go to the Review tab from the top menu and click on Protect Sheet. A window will appear where you can set a password if you want extra security. You can also choose what actions users are allowed to perform, such as selecting unlocked cells. Once you are done, click OK, and your selected cells will be locked, while others remain editable based on your settings. And that's how you can lock cells in Microsoft Excel. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.